So this is problem number 4 on the 6 number 11 homework on the tides. And there's a mistake on the handout in this first point. It should say this, 2, 4.5, but on yours it says 2, 3.8. So I'm not going to do much help for this, but I wanted to make sure that you knew that I did have that error on the sheet. So the next point here, if you've read over the problem, happens at 7:30. So I can use 7.5 hours because it's from time after midnight, and that's a low tide of 3.8. And then since that is 5.5 hours between 2 and 7.5, if you add 5.5 more hours to 7.5, you get 13. And it'll be back to a high tide of 4.5. So you have to assume, because you're told that it's a sinusoidal function, that since this distance here is 5.5 hours, that the distance between 7.5 and this next value 13 is also 5.5 hours. So that's how you get your 3 points. Then you'll plot them. They'll look something kind of flat but still a sinusoid like this, and you'll get a curve that goes through them that hopefully looks a little like a sine or a cosine. And then go through and find the amplitude, the period, the vertical shift, the horizontal shift, and get the function. The numbers are a little bit messy, but you can do it. And then be careful with these questions. Some of them are a little tricky. This one, find the mathematical model for the depth of the water since August 2nd. That's writing the equation. Use the equation to predict the water at 5 p.m. on August 2nd. On your sheet it says August 3rd here. You can answer either question. If you do 5 p.m. on August 2nd, that is 17 hours after midnight. So you would find the height of the water at 17 hours after midnight. And if you do the height of the water on August 3rd, then you'd have to add 24 hours to 17 to get the right timing. So again, your worksheet says August 3rd here. You can answer whichever one of these two questions you want. I'll have the answers to both for you. And then at what time does the first low tide occur on August 3rd? So that's a little bit tricky because you have to look into the second 24-hour period. And same with letter F here. You've got to look into the second 24-hour period. So that's all the help I'm giving on this. Sorry about those mistakes on the handout, and good luck.